videos for a living. And living is so sweet. I make cat videos for a living. My cat gets paid in treats. Yeah. You see a Maserati rolling down the street with a little cat sitting in the driver's seat, and you smell the tender vittles. Yeah, it's probably me. Oh, I'm living the dream. Let's do it. Oh, play that keyboard. All right, everybody. It's the last take, so try to look extra fluffy.